There is no rule of law. There is no democracy. It's just like dictatorship. That's why we condemn it. Change of proceeding can be done. House is supreme. As I have already mentioned, Article 351 of the Rule of Procedure Conduct of Business is clearly said that House is supreme. All relevant rules can be suspended, and we can be considered whatever opposition proposed in the state, in interest of the state, by the territorial integrity related issues, and any other issues can be considered. That's why, but they did not listen what we suggested.